New teachers in Ontario are going to have to pass a math test or they won't be allowed to teach in a classroom. Doug Ford's education minister today, though, is stressing that he doesn't blame teachers for poor math grades. He blames the previous Liberal government's curriculum. But then that begs the question, if it's not teachers' fault, why do they have to be tested?
Right, so take this card.
Falling math skills have been a cause of concern in Ontario. EQAO results show they've been decreasing over the past 5 years. In 2014, 54% of students met the provincial standard in grade 6. Due to a strike, no data is available for 2015, but by 2018, the number decreased to 49%. This memo from the Deputy Minister of Education was provided to City News from a government source. It states teacher candidates will require a mark of 70% or higher in the math proficiency test, which will be developed and marked by the EQAO and in place by the end of this school year. The issue is drawing the ire of unions who claim testing teachers' math skills will not improve student scores.
There are always things that can be improved, but what they're doing here is a sideshow.
The education minister said today teachers will also be supported with professional development in addition to the math test.
Isn't this a band-aid solution, though, mandatory math testing? Shouldn't you be looking at the deeper issue of standardizing the teaching for teachers, because it varies from university to university?
I actually do not fault our teachers for the fact that we've had consecutive years of failure for math. The system brought in by the former Liberal government, Discovery Math, by the most demonstrable evidence, did not work. And there's a reason why young kids today cannot do basic math.
And it's going to give you T-squared.
The current math curriculum introduced by the Liberals is called Discovery Math, which focuses on problem solving rather than memorization. The Ford government is scrapping it and will phase in a new math curriculum over 4 years, starting this fall. Now, the president of the High School Teachers Union made an interesting point about all this. He says no new teachers are going to be hired for some time anyways because higher class sizes are leading to fewer teachers. And by the way, we're going to get a clearer idea of where math test scores are tomorrow morning. That's when the EQAO will release the latest test results.